Welcome to today's series of what I learned as a chef. Today we're making classic fettuccine alfredo. Simple ingredients, but technique is everything. I have dried fettuccine, unsalted butter, freshly grated Parmesan, always grate it yourself, minced garlic, and of course salt and black pepper. I start with generously salted boiling water. It should taste like the sea. Fettuccine and stirring immediately so it doesn't stick. Cook until al dente, firm, not soft. That texture matters. Before draining, I reserve 1 cup of pasta water. This starch helps create a smooth, silky sauce. Draining the pasta, I melt unsalted butter over medium heat, no browning. I add minced garlic and cook for about 30 seconds, just until fragrant. Now I add heavy cream. Let it simmer gently, no aggressive boiling. Heat control prevents separation. I lower the heat before adding my Parmesan. Add it slowly and stir continuously until smooth and velvety. I add the pasta directly into the sauce and toss gently to coat. If it becomes too thick, a little pasta water brings back the shine. Twirl for height, presentation adds elegance. Smooth, balanced, creamy without being heavy. Like and follow for the next lesson. Share this with someone who loves cooking. This series continues tomorrow. Cooking Smarter with Chef Nisi.